Today we got the beautiful 2021 Chevy Silverado 3500 work truck. Of course, this does have the Duramax 6.6 liter diesel connected to the Allison transmission. Got the dual rear wheels on there. All the way around, this is super clean truck. Tires are standing tall. On the inside, you can see you got the nice touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, rear backup camera, connection for the trailer lights. You got the integrated trailer braking system on there, USB controls. It's all around super clean truck. And as you can see, it is four-wheel drive there. You got all your controls there. That carries over to the back seat. Very clean. You've got the vinyl flooring on there, so you don't have to worry about staining the carpet or anything. Back here, you got the spray and bed liner with your fifth wheel hitch on there, all ready to roll for you. Got your trailer hitch all set up for you. I mean, all the way around, just a beautiful truck. And once again, this is an INDY TRUCKS certified, so it does come with the 3-month, 3,000 mile powertrain warranty on it. Guys, this thing is fully serviced and ready to work for you. Give us a call today, 317-218-3613.